Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So, Mr. Saransh, Dr. Saransh Gupta, what are we going to talk about today?
Yes, Dr. Abhijit. We are going to talk about life in general, bro.
Yeah.
एक्चुअली हम देखते हैं यार आसपास हमारे जैसे काफी कमिंग ऑफ एज जो एज ग्रुप है
Hmm.
वो सब ये क्वेश्चंस वंस इन अ लाइफ टाइम या वंस इन अ वाइल तो पॉन्डर करते ही होंगे डेफिनेटली.
हाँ.
तो बस ये पॉडकास्ट के थ्रू हम दोनों का एक यही आइडिया है या एक यही मोटिव है कि we want to make them realize that there are people like you and we are one of them.
Yeah.
And बस एक जनरल डिस्कशन करने वाले हैं आज हम
Yeah.
तू और मैं.
Yeah. And many times what happens is, like, लोगों को ये सब thoughts आते हैं और उनको बातें करनी होती है इन टॉपिक्स के बारे में, but maybe they don't find someone to talk about these things with.
हाँ यस.
So,
और ऐसा भी नहीं है कि anyone is an expert here.
nobody is an expert.
ये सिर्फ एक थॉट प्रोसेस है.
Yeah. Yeah.
वो हम शेयर करना चाहते हैं
Yeah.
with the world, so I think the world will like it, or anyone who listens to it will find it useful or informative or
Stimulating at
helpful
least.
in any way.
Yeah.
Yeah, stimulating at least.
Hmm.
That's a good word.
And through these conversations, I think हम दोनों भी अपने खुद के
हाँ,
थॉट्स अंडरस्टैंड
definitely.
करेंगे या फिर आइडियाज एक्सप्लोर करेंगे.
Definitely भाई.
यस.
और ये बहुत ही अच्छा मतलब this is an exercise for the brain.
या मतलब by having these conversations, our brains are also forced to think, right?
And we don't know what topics we'll cover.
Yeah.
So it's all random and it's all spontaneous and raw as possible.
Yeah, we'll try to start off with one topic in an episode.
Yeah.
In the beginning,
no,
at
in
least.
general, I'm talking about in future.
Yes.
It's just an expressive platform, I suppose.
Yeah. So today's topic of
तो फिर
discussion is
आज का टॉपिक तो
the biggest question.
life. Yeah, the biggest question.
I think this is the most important question in
यार ये बहुत क्लोज है यार, सबके बहुत क्लोज है मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि मतलब मैं खुद जब फर्स्ट ईयर सेकंड ईयर में हॉस्टल में था कॉलेज में, तो मैं यही सोचता था यार कि मतलब हर कोई सोचता है मुझे जब सेकंड ईयर में फर्स्ट एग्जिस्टेंशियल ब्रेकडाउन हुआ था मेरा. हाँ, एग्जिस्टेंशियल ब्रेकडाउन. मतलब द फर्स्ट टाइम यू क्वेश्चन दिस in your life. I think everyone remembers that point or that time of their lives and they first start thinking about this. बिल्कुल. Yeah. बिल्कुल. So today's topic is. Yeah, मैं तो खुद यार इस पे मतलब I was so into this. I started writing about it. Interesting. तो वो काफी थॉट्स आते हैं दिमाग में, तो हर किसी का एक अपना पर्सपेक्टिव होता है. Yeah. तो डिस्कस लेट्स बिगिन द डिस्कशन. सो तू मेरे को बता रहा था ना, यू वर टेलिंग मी अबाउट दिस बुक यू वर रीडिंग. Yeah. So I would like to quote one quote from this book, which is written by French philosopher Albert Camus. He was Algerian, I guess. So the book is called as The Myth of Sisyphus, and the quote is. I mean, I'm paraphrasing, but the quote is. Whether or not to commit suicide is the only philosophical question, or probably the most important philosophical question of humanity. ये एक्चुअली बहुत ही मतलब सेंसिटिव है, और I think कि anyone who's thinking about this in a similar way will definitely ask this question once in his or her lifetime. About what is the purpose of life and is this all futile? Like in the end, point. हमको क्या मिलने वाला है यार? Yeah. वो ऋतिक रोशन याद आता है मेरे को. खाली याद आए थे हम, खाली याद जाएंगे. Yes. तो ये बहुत ही ज्यादा मेरे को लगता है ये कॉमन क्वेश्चन है, एक एक similar type of creed of people में.
Yeah, and I think I would like to quote one more author here.
Yeah.
Dr. Viktor Frankl नाम का एक psychiatrist था. He was a Jewish psychiatrist living in Germany or Austria or something like that. And he was sent to
Austro-Hungarian or
he was sent to
Prussian Empire.
He was sent to concentration camps by Nazis.
Okay.
And there he was like almost certain that he's gonna die, right? Because that's the purpose of sending you there. But right before he was about to die, the opposition soldiers came and freed him, and he survived. And he wrote about his experiences in the concentration camps, and not only his experiences as a human being, but since he was a psychiatrist, his point of view is very unique in that way. So he has a quote in that book.
What did he?
The name of the book is.
What did he say?
The name of the book is. क्या है book का नाम? Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor Frankl.
Man's Search for Meaning.
Yes, and the quote is, the person who has a why to live can survive any how.
Okay.
So he observed that in the.
So the why, he's laying emphasis on the why.
Yes, he's saying if you know why you have to survive, if you know why you are alive, then you can get through any how you are gonna survive.
There's this saying that this is the only question which separates us from other organisms, maybe.
Yeah.
Like there are other questions also, but every animal will think about what?
Right.
Where?
Nobody will think about why.
Maybe how also. But nobody would ponder about why. So why is a very existential question in humans' existence, I think.
Yeah. And I think everyone of our age group who has thought about this.
Why का ही तो पंगा है यार सारा.
हाँ.
ये सब झोल ही वाई का है भाई दुनिया में.
मैं जब छोटा था ना, तभी मैं हर चीज को क्वेश्चन करता था. यही
मेरा तेको पता मैं इतना ज्यादा इस वाई में था कि मैंने अपने 2nd, 3rd और 4th स्टैंडर्ड में I used to recite a poem and that was why. I'll tell you the author's name. But the thing is, I still remember the lines. I am a curious little boy. I'm always asking why. Why this, why that, why then, why how. I want to know why wood should swim, why lead and marble sink. Why stars should shine and wind should blow, and why we eat and drink. So it goes on similar lines. Why is my favorite question, bro?
Yeah.
Why is my favorite question?
Yeah, and if you ask why enough times, at the end of this line, you reach.
End में पंगा पड़ेगा ना.
Yes, at the end you reach this point of why should I be alive?
This question.
Yeah.
Basically मैं अगर एक crude way में बोलूँ तो let's pick up anyone for that matter. Anyone. Like pick up a guy from the street and ask him, what are you doing? Like let's say he's a businessman.
Yeah.
तो तू भाई क्यों कर रहा है बिजनेस? क्योंकि पैसा चाहिए. क्यों पैसा चाहिए? क्योंकि लाइफ ऐसी चाहिए. लाइफ के एंड में तो भाई सबने मरना ही है ना यार.
हाँ.
तो फिर क्यों?
Yeah.
क्या तेरा क्या बोलना है इसके ऊपर?
I think मैं कल बहुत सोच रहा था इसके बारे में. I was thinking about the discussion that we had 2 days ago about curiosity. And we were discussing how human beings are the most curious organism on planet Earth.
Agreed.
तो मैं यही सोच रहा था कि if there is a big river, okay, and if there are lots of animals on this side of the river, no dog is gonna try to cross that river, no cat is gonna try to cross that river, no monkey. ask a monkey and tell that monkey to cross this big river, the monkey will be like, "Are you crazy? Why do you want to put your life in risk? We have
obviously
enough food here. We have enough space here. Why do you want to
they
take?"
will not only think in the first place ना.
Of course.
वो इतना तो सोचेगा ही नहीं ना. ये तो हम बहुत ज्यादा वो हो गए ना.
नहीं, मैं तो मेटाफोरिकल सेंस में बोल रहा हूँ. Of course वो एनिमल सोचेंगे ही नहीं.
समझ गया.
But human beings will put their lives through this risk and cross the river just to find out what is on the other side.
बेसिकली यार वो अपना द जो रोगन एक्सपीरियंस जो तूने मेरे को सजेस्ट किया था, उसमें बॉब लाजार का जो एपिसोड देखा था, मतलब मैंने अभी तूने ही सजेस्ट किया था मेरे को. तो उस एपिसोड में जो रोगन वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट द सेम थिंग ना. मतलब ही वाज सेइंग दैट कि अगर एलियंस हमको देखेंगे, इफ दे आर लुकिंग अपॉन दिस ब्लू मार्बल इन इनफाइनाइट स्पेस, तो वो एक बर्ड्स आई व्यू से ह्यूमंस को देख के क्या बोलेंगे? वो यही बोलेंगे ना कि दिस इज अ स्पीशीज हियर विच इज ऑलवेज ट्राइंग टू डू समथिंग बेटर. मतलब अपनी एग्जिस्टेंस जो है उसमें, मतलब उसने एक बहुत अच्छा एग्जाम्पल दिया था कि देयर इज अ बी हाइव. सो देयर इज अ बी हाइव एंड इट्स a very complicated structure. It's a good structure. It's a nature's product. Okay. It's very fascinating. मगर वो after a century भी beehive ही रहने वाला.
Right.
But we are not that.
Yeah.
हमको change करना है ना.
Yeah. I think it is one of the most fundamental drives of human beings to improve things. To improve things.
Yeah. तो वो existential question जो why का आता है कि why should we be alive? तो उसके अंदर ये जो betterment और improvement है, ये एक बहुत अच्छा part play करता है यार.
Right.
मेरे को ऐसा लगता है. मतलब it's a motivation basically.
Right. But even beyond that, one can ask
to not settle basically.
हाँ. But one can ask
never settle किसका यार? वो कौन सी कंपनी का वो है?
I think Motorola का है. नहीं यार OnePlus का maybe. नहीं, it's OnePlus I think.
OnePlus है. ठीक है.
तो मैं बोल रहा था कि
वो याद आ गया बीच में.
okay. मैं बोल रहा था कि why do you even want to improve things? What's the point in that? Like the bees, I don't know whether they realize this or not, but the bees are also gonna die.
This is a good question.
So
why do you want to improve things?
Yeah, मतलब if things are working as they are right now, and if all of us are gonna die anyway, so what's the point of even improving things?
I get you.
Yeah.
उसका क्वेश्चन ये है, मतलब उसका आंसर ये है. क्वेश्चन तो तूने बोल दिया. उसका आंसर ये है, मतलब मेरे हिसाब से ऐसा मेरे को लगता है कि we want to improve things because we can't stay idle for a long time. That's it. We get bored very easily as a species.
Yeah.
मतलब तू किसी भी,
and this is also a very unique.
Why should we improve?
Yeah.
Why should we improve? मतलब तू कुछ भी नहीं करेगा तो तू improve ही करेगा at the end of the day. तू बोलेगा why should we improve, मगर अगर तू बैठा हुआ है किसी, मान ले on the side of a river, there is a primate or whatever, an early humanoid, अगर उसका ब्रेन सिमिलर लाइंस पे चल रहा है हमारे साथ, मतलब if he is going to evolve into a human only, तो डेफिनेटली वो बोर हो जाएगा यार, और वो फिर कुछ अलग करेगा, और वो अलग डेफिनेटली अपने जीन्स में है या क्या है वो, बट वी टेंड टू इम्प्रूव थिंग्स.
Yeah.
You getting my point?
I definitely think that this urge to improve things is a part of our DNA, because this is the reason why our species is probably the most successful species on this planet.
Maybe this is the reason we have been naturally selected to be what we are.
Definitely.
तो अपना वही क्वेश्चन पे हम we'll revert back to the same question.
What do you think? Why?
देख, मैं ये why के मतलब we can break it down into 2-3 answers.
Okay.
Or maybe 2-3 options. देख, एक तो simple what we have talked already about. कि सपोज कि तू सोच रहा है इसके बारे में, समझ रहा है कि वाई शुड आई बी अलाइव, तो वो क्वेश्चन के बारे में तू कितनी देर तक पॉन्डर करेगा, मेरे को ये बता। एक मतलब मैं एक नेचुरल ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी बोल रहा हूँ। मतलब वंस यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट इट, तू बहुत बहुत ऐसे डीप चला जाएगा, यू विल स्पाइरल डाउन, ओके, यू विल गो इनटू योर ओन फेज। मगर उसके बाद अल्टीमेटली मतलब द बोर्डम हाइपोथेसिस आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, गेटिंग बोर्ड।
राइट, मतलब एक आदमी इसके बारे में सोचेगा 1 घंटा 2 घंटा 3 घंटा 4 घंटा,
1 घंटा 2 घंटा 3 घंटा,
उसके बाद फिर सोचेगा कि रहने दो
2
भाई,
हफ्ते 1 महीना, कितना सोच लेगा, 1 साल सोच ले लगातार यार।
उसके बाद हिला के सो जाएगा,
हिला के सो जाएगा आसमान की तरफ, पंखे की तरफ देख के सो जाएगा वो। ठीक है ना। तो मैं बेसिकली ये बोल रहा हूँ कि नहीं, मतलब अगर हिला के नहीं भी सोएगा, मतलब सीरियसली स्पीकिंग,
आई एग्री,
मान लो नहीं हिला के सो रहा, उसको नहीं मिली आज तक कोई लड़की, कोई इमेजिनेशन ही नहीं है बेचारे की, छोड़ो उसको। तो मान लो वो एक्चुअली सोच रहा है, सीरियसली सोच रहा है, तो भी वो कितनी देर सोच लेगा अभिजीत,
राइट।
तो एक बोर्डम हाइपोथेसिस है, और एक है कि उसको मान लो एक आंसर चाहिए, तो वो जो आंसर है ना, मेरे हिसाब से ऐसा है, देख कि जो बोर्डम हाइपोथेसिस जो मैंने पहला बोला ना, मतलब कमिंग बैक टू बोर्डम, मैं एक पॉइंट और ऐड करना चाहूंगा कि सेम अप्लाइज फॉर एक्सेप्टिंग डेथ ऑल्सो,
राइट।
everyone of us is gonna die one day, but we pretend like we are not. ठीक है ना। अभी वही सेम क्वेश्चन है ये, द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ अ पर्सन एंड द इनएविटेबिलिटी ऑफ डेथ। इट इज ऑन सिमिलर लाइंस, राइट। तो मेरे लिए वो एक, यार ह्यूमन माइंड जो है ना यार, मेरे को बस ऐसा लगता है कि वो बहुत जल्दी चीजों के साथ बोर हो जाता है यार।
और I would like to frame it better. I think the best,
मतलब you can, please.
The best thing about human beings is that we get used to everything. Like when we first,
definitely we fucking get used to everything. और ये चीज सेम टेररिस्ट पे अप्लाई होती है यार।
सब पे, हर चीज पे अप्लाई होती है। I remember the
हर
first
बंदे
time,
पे अप्लाई होती है, हर बंदे पे। हम सोचते हैं ना, एज अ पर्सन लिविंग ऑन दिस साइड ऑफ द स्पेक्ट्रम, वी थिंक दैट ये टेररिस्ट कैसे मार सकते हैं यार लोगों को गोली। मतलब इनोसेंट लोगों को कोई कैसे मार सकता है। और अगर तू उनकी हिस्ट्री देखेगा, उनका अपब्रिंगिंग देखेगा, उनका चाइल्डहुड देखेगा, तो वो उनके लिए नॉर्मल हो जाता है, दे गेट यूज्ड टू इट। हाँ, तो प्लीज कंटिन्यू।
नहीं, so on my first day of working in the COVID ward, when I wore the PPE for the first time, it was very suffocating, it was very hot,
it was very, वो तो जान निकाल देती है यार।
it was very difficult to walk around in it.
Portable sauna.
It is like that. Like you can't, I could not stand up straight properly because like मेरी हाइट के लिए थोड़ा सा छोटा हो रहा था वो, तो मुझे स्लाइटली मेरा नेक,
रात को कुछ किया तुमने?
नहीं, तो मुझे रात को तो मुझे वो थोड़ा सा बेंड होना पड़ रहा था, बट देन eventually I got used to it, and that's the time when it hit me. मतलब मैं वार्ड में बैठा हुआ था और मैं बस सोच रहा था बैठ के ये PPE किट में सफोकेट होते हुए, and that's when it hit me that I have gotten used to this, just like I have gotten used to everything else in my life, and just like human beings throughout history.
अल्कोहल देख ले।
yes,
ड्रिंकिंग अल्कोहल यार। जब फर्स्ट टाइम अपन ने पी थी कॉलेज में, तो उससे पहले तो मेरे को ऐसा ही लगता था यार कि नहीं पीनी चाहिए, या थोड़ा मतलब बड़ी बात है,
गंदी बात है, पॉइजन है, ये पॉइजन,
गंदी बात है, पॉइजन है ये वो। बाद में पता चला अमृत है, मगर पहले तो ये लगता था ना पॉइजन है।
नहीं, I still agree that it is a poison.
यार तू डॉक्टर मत बन ज्यादा.
नहीं नहीं
मगर
नहीं.
मतलब in a joking way I'm telling.
नहीं, I am, listen, I'm gonna tell you something, and my friends who have had
हम्म.
similar experiences with me will agree. मैं जब भी कोडाई
Okay.
कनाल गया था और जब भी मैंने सेक्रेड मशरूम्स खाए थे ना, तभी
हम्म.
like after the peak of that experience when we were sitting and talking about things,
हम्म.
me and my friends,
हम्म.
all of us were saying कि हम लोग क्या कहते थे यार, हम लोग दारू पी रहे थे. छी.
Okay,
Like
okay, 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 okay.
when you see
हाँ,
God,
exactly my point.
then
Exactly my point. मतलब यही है, देख यू आर गेटिंग यूज टू दारू इतना कि मतलब तू अब उसको भी मतलब तू उसके भी ऊपर है, मतलब सेक्रेड गेम्स उसके भी ऊपर. रायतोंडे बोलता ना भाई,
क्या.
अपन उसके भी ऊपर है. तो तू मतलब दारू दारू के भी ऊपर है भाई तू.
हाँ हाँ.
तो मतलब तू कितना यूज टू हो गया देख अभी विद इन मे बी लेस देन 5 years.
Yeah, I agree.
तो लेस देन 5 years में तू भूल गया दारू, या तू इतना यूज टू हो गया कि
Yeah.
मतलब या मैं तो बोलूंगा एज सिंपल एज होल्डिंग योर हेड अप फ्रॉम इन्फेंसी,
Hmm.
फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड. व्हेन यू
Hmm.
स्टार्ट फर्स्ट होल्डिंग योर हेड अप यू
Hmm.
फॉरगेट अबाउट इट. Or
Yeah.
maybe grasping a thing of the pincer grasp or the whatever the complicated grasps we
Yeah. About
develop
wearing
with
specs. Have you
time.
realized that
Wearing specs, yeah, wearing
the
specs.
first time when you wore specs, it was so weird and things looked a
Ah,
little bit
you
different. But
used to
then,
see the world and your specs at the same time.
yes, and then we forgot that we even have specs.
That is human brain.
Yes.
It will get used to everything.
Yeah, I agree.
तो वहीं पे आते हैं ना यार, हम फिर वापस वहीं पे पहुंचते हैं हम फिर कि वी गेट यूज टू द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ डेथ और द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ डेथ, सो वी एक्सेप्ट इट.
I agree.
तो एक तो फिर अपना फर्स्ट पॉइंट ये होगा, वी गेट यूज टू इट और वी गेट बोर्ड ऑफ थिंकिंग अबाउट
Hmm.
इट.
Hmm. But I think that is just that is not a
ट्रांजिशन.
solution, right?
That is not the solution.
Yeah, that is just like you are just
I'm not saying that is an
turning a blind
answer.
eye to it. हाँ.
या मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि कई लोग ये सोच के, मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि हर कोई सोचता होगा डेफिनेटली,
हम्म.
मगर
सोच
कितनी
के
देर
छोड़ देता
सोचेगा
होगा.
कोई, तू समझ
Right.
रहा है, सोच के छोड़ देगा ना.
हम्म. But what about people like you and me who cannot?
देख मैं तो इसके ऊपर एक जो एग्जिस्टेंस, देख मेरा बहुत ही ऐसे कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सा आंसर है यार. तो तू पहले यू शेयर योर आंसर, मतलब योर व्यू पॉइंट. देयर इज नो आंसर एज सच, मतलब देयर इज नो ऑब्जेक्टिव आंसर, बट स्टिल
ठीक है.
योर व्हाट इज योर व्यू पॉइंट
I have.
ऑन व्हाई शुड वी बी अलाइव?
Okay, there are two viewpoints that I seriously consider, or maybe I would say three,
ओके.
or maybe they are two, but they seem like three
Okay.
different points. The first,
ठीक है ना, तू बता फिर देखते हैं.
हाँ.
अपने आप हो जाएगा.
Yeah, I think the first answer is that I have this very urgent and ever existing need to know things. Okay, the thing that drives
Okay.
me in my life is curiosity.
ये जो अपनी डिस्कशन हुई थी last
Yes,
time.
yes.
That is a very
I think
nice answer,
curiosity is the thing that defines me the most at my core, and not only on a superficial level, but on a level that is so deep that the biggest reason why I want to be alive is because I am curious to know
things.
Yeah, and not only the things that exist right now, but I'm also curious to know what happens next. What happens if I die today? What is going to happen tomorrow? I won't know because I'll be dead, and I don't want that. And as a result of this thinking, I have I have this desire to be immortal. Like maybe at some age in my life, I will
इमोर्टैलिटी सबको पसंद है यार, मेरे को तो ऐसा लगता है। मतलब रहेंगे ऑब्वियसली लोग जिनको नहीं पसंद रहेगी
या हाँ, और लोगों के रीजंस भी
मगर
अलग अलग होते
काफी
होंगे इमोर्टैलिटी के, बट
काफी
फॉर मी द रीजन इज दैट I want to know what happens. So I don't want to stop existing, because if I stop existing, I will stop knowing things, right?
ये अपना वो वाला टॉपिक इसमें बहुत इजीली घुस सकता है। मैं वो घुसाऊं कि ना घुसाऊं?
कौन सा
टॉपिक की बात कर रहा हूँ?
श्योर कौन सा टॉपिक?
मैं टॉपिक यार, डू यू रिमेम्बर द क्वेश्चन दैट आई आस्क्ड यू अबाउट द ऑब्जर्वर एंड द यूनिवर्स?
हाँ, yeah. Oh, yeah, man. So what if I stop existing tomorrow and the universe
if you stop
existing?
Would the universe also stop existing?
Yeah. And there is no way to
ये क्वेश्चन ने इतनी गांड फाड़ी ना मेरी यार, इतनी गांड फाड़ी। मैं तेरे को बता रहा हूँ अभिजीत, मेरे को ये क्वेश्चन खुद से, मैंने ये क्वेश्चन एक दिन बैठा हुआ था और मेरे को जैसे मतलब यूरेका मोमेंट रहता ना।
हाँ,
यूरेका भी नहीं है इन द सेंस बिकॉज आई डोंट नो इफ इट्स ट्रू और नॉट, बट स्टिल इट्स अ मोमेंट ऑफ रियलाइजेशन। तो मेरे को ये बेसिकली कॉन्सेप्ट ये है कि मैं हूं, आई एम एन ऑब्जर्वर। I see a glass of water, I see a table, I see a wall, I see the earth. I know there are stars above. I know there's a Milky Way and everything. There's a universe.
Yeah.
So I am an observer and the universe exists for me. Okay?
Yeah.
तो एकदम से in a second, in a jiffy, in a fraction of a second, imagine I am gone. Like this. I am gone. I don't exist. So will the universe also exist? Is there anything to prove that?
Yeah.
That behind me there is still a universe. How would I know, यार?
Yeah.
मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा?
That's true. You know,
we are always scientifically talking, of course, not mythologically or the Hindu culture or any religion for that matter.
No, but I would like to insert a new idea here that I learned during meditation and during.
Okay.
So I have been trying to learn different ways of meditation and different philosophies of meditation, right? And one of those philosophies is actually ancient Hindu philosophy.
Okay.
And that I got to know through Western people. Like, I am an atheist. I am a very non-religious person. So I have.
बंदे बहुत तेज होते हैं यार। इस सालों को इनको हमसे ज्यादा पता होता है हमारे बारे में।
हाँ। और नहीं, maybe because all of us have stopped looking into these things, right? Because I think मतलब
होते हैं बड़े।
A lot of the.
No offense intended, brothers and sisters, but still. Continue.
So I was saying that since I am an atheist and I am non-religious, I do not actively pursue any religious knowledge. But I was just learning meditation, and on this app, one guest meditation teacher was invited who had done his training in the Hindu tradition of Advaita Vedanta.
Advaita Vedanta.
And the name of this teacher was Adya Shanti. Okay, he's a Western American guy, but he has taken this name.
What was his name again?
Adya Shanti.
Adya Shanti. Okay.
Yeah, so he introduced this concept.
Which concept?
The observer and the object are not different. They are one and the same. That the universe is a thing that is the observer also and the object also.
ये तूने बताया था मेरे को।
Yes. नहीं, मैंने जो last time हमारा discussion हुआ था, it was about.
तूने मेरे को
it was in the context of physics. Yes, it was in the context of physics, and that is what is surprising.
I want our listeners to know about the concept. It was very good.
Yeah. I think we should discuss about that in depth later, because I don't want to stray too much away from this topic. But I'll just mention it in one sentence. One of the theories of the origin of universe is that the universe is a hand that paints itself into existence.
And painting
And
itself is to be in inverted commas, right?
yeah, as
It
if
has to be
it's not
specifically
like a
known.
hand is
What is the
painting
meaning of painting
on a
itself?
canvas.
Yeah, it's not. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It
It's
is like a
fucking
hand is
creating itself.
it's creating itself, right? And that this is the
Yeah, it's
endless loop, and that is the
endless
theory.
loop.
Yeah, and that is what was surprising to me because when I had heard these two concepts separately in different contexts. One was in the context of meditation, and one was in the context of physics. In the context of meditation,
Hmm.
Adya Shanti says that your consciousness is the thing that observes itself, basically.
Hmm.
Like consciousness,
Consciousness
what is
is
consciousness?
universe. Consciousness is observing the universe, and the universe
नहीं नहीं नहीं
observing you.
नहीं 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 नहीं. See, the
Okay.
question is, what is
Hmm.
consciousness, right? What
Yeah,
differentiates
I
between
don't, I don't, I have no idea because I have not got deep into this ever.
hmm.
I
Yeah,
have
but
to, but
what
I
is
have
the
not
difference
still.
between a stone and a human
Yeah, yeah,
being?
I know
The
what
difference is,
consciousness is per se.
according to Adya Shanti, the difference is that the human
Okay.
being knows that it exists.
Yes.
So basically, the consciousness can observe itself. That is the fundamental difference between things that are conscious and things that are not conscious.
Yes. Okay.
So when I
Hmm.
was meditating, this was the practice that you are supposed
Hmm.
to recognize
Hmm.
that you are not different from your consciousness.
Okay.
So when you like when we say right कि मेरे दिमाग में ये ख्याल आया
Hmm. Hmm.
और when we say कि मेरे अंदर गुस्सा आया, what
Hmm.
exactly
Hmm.
are we saying? मेरे are you
Hmm.
different from your thoughts?
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
Like when a thought comes in your brain,
Hmm. Hmm.
who is the you that is observing that thought, those thoughts?
बेसिकली ये ऐसा ही
Who
एक
is the
एक्सपेरिमेंट है.
observer?
हाँ,
Who is the
साइंटिफिक
observer?
एक्सपेरिमेंट है.
Yeah, inside your
यार
mind,
हम ज्यादा ज्यादा
what is
स्वे
the
तो नहीं
object?
कर रहे अवे फ्रॉम द टॉपिक.
Yeah, maybe I don't know. Maybe we are.
नहीं, इट इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक ऑफ
I know
कोर्स.
it is. Yeah.
बट मैं समझ रहा हूँ तेरी बात. मैं इस पे एक लास्ट पॉइंट ऐसा ऐड करना चाहूंगा
Hmm. Hmm.
कि there was this scientific experiment I had read somewhere, but I don't know who performed it or where it was done. I
Hmm.
don't remember exactly the names and all.
Hmm.
मगर उसमें ऐसा था कि अपना ब्रेन जो रहता ना, इट्स insensitive to touch. Obviously the
Yeah.
brain has no touch receptors because
Yeah.
it is
Yeah.
what processes touch.
Yeah. That's why during brain surgery, a lot of people are told to
हाँ.
play the violin or
या
do
तो
things while they are
उसमें
under the
उसमें
surgery. Hmm.
अभिजीत उन्होंने एक एक्सपेरिमेंट किया कि देयर इज अ पार्ट ऑब्वियसली इन द ब्रेन लाइक द
Hmm.
मोटर कॉर्टेक्स और आई डोंट नो विच एग्जैक्टली द पार्ट वाज.
Hmm.
मगर उसको जब उन्होंने सेंसिटाइज किया ना, सो इट कुड रेज योर राइट आर्म.
Right. Right.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट्स से.
Hmm.
सो दे फर्स्ट आस्क्ड द पेशेंट टू रेज योर राइट आर्म.
Hmm.
तो एक स्पेसिफिक एरिया ऑफ ब्रेन स्टिमुलेट हुआ.
Right.
सो दे नोटेड इट.
And then
Then
they
they
simulated that
stimulated
area.
that area, and he said, "Someone raised my arm."
Yeah.
You're getting my point?
Yeah.
He didn't feel that is it like he's raising his arm. He felt like someone else is raising his arm for him.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that is the on similar lines I'm talking. It's a
Yeah,
thing to
I agree with
think
you. I
about.
agree with you. So again, in this experiment also, you are forced to ask who is the observer, who is the I that you
Yeah,
think you are. Matlab, you think that you are an I.
yeah. Getting your point.
Yeah, yeah. So anyway, the I think हम लोग यहाँ पे कैसे आए? Because we were discussing about the observer and the object wala effect, right?
Yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
I said that just like our consciousness is a thing that observes itself, it is the object and it is the observer.
Yeah, and you were
there is
talking
a
about
theory.
basically,
There is
you
a
were
theory that
basically talking
universe
about
is also
curiosity.
a thing. Universe is a thing that observes itself.
Yeah, obviously, we are
So
looking at ourselves, or the
exactly,
universe is looking back at us.
like
The
we,
universe is looking at the universe
yes, through us,
through us,
or
through
maybe even
us,
without us.
or maybe even without us. We don't know.
Yeah, we don't know.
तो बेसिकली क्यूरियोसिटी पे अपनी डिस्कशन चल रही थी ना यार.
Ha. So you had asked me what is the,
हाँ, your 2 points, 2 or 3, you were confused.
yeah. So yeah, so the first point I would like to
Is
say is
curiosity,
curiosity.
which is
Curiosity is,
for me 100% acceptable because it is as inherent in a human being as anything, any
yeah,
gene, anything. It is very inherent in every human that is born.
yeah. I think it is one of the most
He
fundamental characteristics of a human being.
he or she will be fucking curious from the first second of his or her life.
Yes, I agree with you. So one of the answers of why should I exist or why I am alive is that I am curious. And this
Okay,
curiosity
okay,
forms one of the most fundamental drives which
okay,
keeps me living. The second answer is hedonism. And hedonism not
okay.
in the material sense, or I was exposed to this philosophy of hedonism, or I think a better word would be eudaimonia. Okay.
Could you explain that?
It's a Greek word.
Okay.
It means basically the idea of hedonism is trying to enjoy life to the fullest
Happiness.
extent. Yeah, basically trying to achieve as much happiness as you can for as long as you can and for as many people as you can.
Nice concept.
Yeah, so it's not only should you try to make yourself as happy as possible, you should try to make yourself as happy as possible in the long term. तो ऐसा नहीं कि अभी
Hmm.
हेरोइन लेके बैठ जाओ. That will make you very happy in the short term, but not in the long term. So you try to make yourself as happy as possible in the long term, and
Hmm.
not only you try to make yourself as happy as you can in the long term, you try to make as
Others
many
also.
people as many
Hmm.
people as happy as you
My
can in the
answer
long
is
term.
close to this one. My
Yeah.
answer starts from a different line, but it ends almost here.
Yeah, so basically
So
it's
I'm
trying
getting
to,
your point.
yeah, so it's
Eudaimonia.
basically trying to make as many
नहीं
people
बट
happy in the
बट
universe as
देख
you can.
अपने अप,
Greatest.
अपने 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 कई लिसनर्स हो सकता है ये सोचें कि हैप्पी क्यों ना, मतलब तू समझ रहा है ना कि
Right.
हैप्पी हैप्पी क्यों करना है किसी को यार. क्यों करें हैप्पी? हम नहीं करना हैप्पी. नहीं देखने
Hmm.
गन्ने के खेत.
Hmm.
नहीं देखने ना गन्ने के खेत मेरे को. तो क्यों
Hmm.
करूँ मैं हैप्पी किसी को? तू समझ रहा है मेरे को. मैं
Yeah.
हैप्पी हूँ. हैप्पी हो गया,
Hmm.
ठीक है. आई एम हैप्पी. तो ये
Yeah.
इससे जस्टिफाई नहीं होता ना कि जीना ही क्यों है.
नहीं, मतलब आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू
मतलब
वन ऑफ द,
क्यूरियोसिटी तेरे को मरने नहीं दे रही है.
हाँ,
वो
राइट.
वो सही लगता है कि क्यूरियोसिटी है. यू वांट टू नो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन टुमारो, डे आफ्टर टुमारो. ये कैसे चलने वाला है, ये कैसे
No,
होने
because when
वाला
I
है.
die, I won't be able to feel happiness.
आफ्टर डेथ.
In order to be happy, you have to exist.
हाँ.
So that is the thing that drives you. Like right
तो
now,
इन ऑर्डर
I
टू
am.
बी सैड आल्सो यू हैव टू एग्जिस्ट.
That's true, but
तो
that is
सैड हो
not our
जाते
goal,
हैं.
is it? Our
तो
goal is
सैड हो
to.
जाते हैं ना. मगर मजा हैप्पी होने में आता है ना. सैड क्यों हो?
हाँ, exactly. मतलब
मजा
it's like,
हैप्पी होने में आता है तो फिर सैड होके क्या करना है? जो
हाँ.
चूती
So
है
the
क्या?
the idea is the idea is कि जिस चीज में मजा आता है वो करना है अपने को. अभी देख, we don't know where we
तो
came
ये
from.
बहुत
We don't know.
हिप्पी
We
लाइफ नहीं
don't know.
होगी क्या ये? दिस इज तू हिप्पीज को जस्टिफाई कर रहा है क्या? मतलब आई डोंट से कि हिप्पीज गलत है या हिप्पीज सही है,
I
मगर
am just
तू
I am just
हिप्पी
telling you one idea
कल्चर
that
की
I
तरफ
have
जा रहा है क्या?
come across, which I agree with to certain extent. And I will also,
ओके.
after explaining this concept fully, I will also tell you one downside of this.
हाँ. हम्म.
Okay.
Okay.
So the idea is कि you don't know
देख
where you came
मैं
from.
मैं क्या सोच रहा हूँ मैं हाँ ठीक है तू कंटिन्यू सॉरी कंटिन्यू यू कंप्लीट योर पॉइंट फर्स्ट
Yeah, so we don't know why we are alive and we don't know why we die and we don't know why we should live. Okay. But what we can do is try to have as much fun as we can while we are here.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, क्या फर्क पड़ता है कि हम एक दिन मरने वाले हैं?
कोई बंदा डिप्रेस्ड है यार
And क्या?
मान ले कोई बंदा डिप्रेस्ड है दुखी है
हाँ, yeah.
बहुत दुखी है
That is one downside. That is one downside of this
कैसे
philosophy.
समझाएगा तू ये बात वो नहीं समझ पाएगा तेरी बात
नहीं, I understand exactly. That's what I'm saying. That is one of the downsides of this philosophy. That what
This
about
is
those
like
people who
this is
cannot
like a
feel happiness?
privileged emotion. Happiness is a privileged emotion, I think.
Yes,
It's
I
not
agree with you.
available for everyone.
I agree with you. And do you remember I told you about my friend who is very suicidal and severely depressed? And this was his question. His question was that if my existence is pain,
I was also
every
thinking
day,
about him only.
Yeah, if every day I am sad and I feel
It's
horrible,
very
then
difficult
why
to get
should I
someone like
continue?
this happy, na? It's
I
very
agree.
difficult to get someone happy.
I
By just
agree
telling
that
them
this,
to be happy.
yeah.
They
Or
will never be happy.
one counter
I
argument
get
to
your
this.
point. I get your point.
One,
But what about others who won't?
I am saying one solution would be those who are currently not feeling happy. Okay, let's say someone is very depressed and suicidal right now, and they know that there is no point in being alive. What they can do is
Come to the ultimate reality of this world and it's no fun living. Let's assume that.
But that's the thing, na. If tomorrow, if let's say right now, I am not having fun.
Yes.
What I can do is take efforts and try to get rid of that depression and try to make myself happy. It's not like that is impossible.
ये समझाना बहुत मुश्किल है ना यार.
Yeah. मतलब what you have to realize is just like happiness is not
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो इंसान या जो लोग who feel depressed and who think they have to end their lives, I think they will be moved only by objective reasons instead of subjective reasons.
I agree.
They want something like tangible, you know.
I understand. हाँ.
उनको ऐसा चाहिए कि तू जिंदा इसलिए रहना चाहिए तेरे को क्योंकि like maths, मतलब mathematical आंसर होना चाहिए. There should be an equation which says like if you stay alive is equal to profit, if you stay like this is equal to loss. ऐसा होता नहीं है obviously, it's not that easy. मगर उनको मेरे को लगता है ऐसे स्टेट ऑफ माइंड में ना वो बहुत डीप चला जाता है यार बंदा. मेरे को आई थिंक
I understand.
I know
and this is exactly the conversation I had with my friend and he was also saying the same thing.
वो नहीं मानेगा यार.
Yeah.
वो बहुत मुश्किल है.
But I look at this as, and if I understand that this line of thinking does not give you a universal answer, but maybe let's say there is one more way to look at this. Like, consider a video game.
Okay.
And if you know how to play that video game, it makes you really happy.
Yes, right? Yes.
And there is someone who just doesn't know how to play that video game.
And he is losing
and
every
that person
time.
keeps losing, keeps failing, and as a result of that person
keeps
getting sad and frustrated.
And then he hates the game in the end.
And the person starts hating the game, and the person says, "This game is meaningless. This game is pointless. This game is horrible.
Also.
This game should not exist." That person says, "This game should not exist. I don't want to play this game anymore." But now, does that mean that it is the fault of that game, or it just means that person is not capable of playing that game effectively?
Very nice. I like it. I like this example. This analogy is quite objective, you know. My point.
Yeah.
देख सब्सटेंशियली मिल गया ना कुछ वीडियो गेम तो मतलब अगला कोई सोच सकता है. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि जिसको भी सोचना है वो सोच सकता है.
Yeah. So just because someone is miserable,
देख मुझे अब मैं तेरे को बताता हूँ मेरा क्या व्यू पॉइंट है कि if someone is that sad or that depressed or wants to go away or end his life, whatever, तो मैं उसको, उस बंदे को या उस बंदी को ये बोलना चाहूंगा कि ये जो step which you are going to take, which you are contemplating about, okay, this is a very big step, first of all.
Yeah.
A step bigger than any step in the world.
Yeah.
We have only got one shot at life, okay?
Yeah.
तुम्हारी लाइफ में बहुत कुछ बुरा हो रहा है, बहुत कुछ गलत हो रहा है. आई एग्री. कुछ ठीक नहीं हो सकता, मैं उनको बोलता हूँ, कुछ ठीक नहीं हो सकता. मतलब आई एम विद यू. वो ऐसे ही सोचते हैं ना यार अभिजीत.
राइट.
कुछ ठीक नहीं हो सकता, सब गलत है. तो मैं उनको बोलूंगा, अपना फर्स्ट पॉइंट फिर से आता है कि ये पार्ट भी, दिस इज ऑल्सो टेम्पररी. आई एम टेलिंग यू. I tell them, if you feel like this, just stay with it for one more week.
Yeah.
If one week, then 2 more weeks.
No, but this is, see, that's I have talked about this, right?
What I am going to say is, everything in the world is transient. First of all, nothing is permanent.
Yes.
You know what? I wrote this in my book, that the illusion of living forever, which we have as a child, is broken once we are an adult or turning into an adult, or whatever time of life you are in.
Yeah.
So the limitlessness of life is an illusion which we all have when we are children. Okay?
Yeah.
ये सबके साथ होता है यार. ये मेरे को लगता है 100% सबके साथ होता है.
हाँ, because
बचपन में तो लगता है ना, मम्मा पापा सब ये इटर्नल है. ये सब इटर्नल है.
जस्ट रिमेम्बर 4th स्टैंडर्ड कितना लंबा था. हाँ, ऐसा लगता था कि 4th स्टैंडर्ड कभी खत्म ही नहीं होगा.
और अभी टाइम ऐसे निकलता है जैसे मतलब गांड में बम्बू दिया हुआ.
2020 आधा खत्म हो गया.
2020 कैन यू बिलीव कि जो बच्चा 2000 में पैदा हुआ है वो 20 साल का हो गया भाई.
या
चलो, लिविंग दैट असाइड, मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि जिसकी लाइफ में यार प्रॉब्लम्स आती है ना, मैं उसको ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि तुमको इस टाइम पे लगता है कि ये कभी खत्म नहीं होगा, मगर हर चीज खत्म होती है. हर चीज, everything is born to die. Your problems included. Are you getting my point?
I understand your point, but I have a counter question to this.
Yeah.
The thing is, the people who are suicidal, who are severely depressed, they think that no matter how much I wait,
it will never end.
This depression is just gonna accompany me, and at the end, what is gonna happen? At the end, I'm just gonna die. So why should I suffer for 20 more years and then at the end die, if I can just end the suffering also right now and end the life also right now?
देख, हम as a podcast, so far away from them, we can just motivate them, right? There are treatments available, there are things available which I hope is available to everyone, which I wish is available to everyone, but still we can just motivate, na?
Yeah, at the end, I think it comes down to...
What I am trying to say is there is nothing as permanent. That's it. That is a statement.
I agree with you.
You should keep it with, like, you can write it or you can engrave it on your wall. Nothing is permanent. Even the universe is going to die one day.
See, that's what I'm trying to tell you.
You should watch Melody Sheep.
What?
There's a video, na, Melody Sheep. I told you about.
Right. I haven't seen that video yet.
A very nice.
I'm really sorry.
No problem.
Mm-hmm.
It's a good video. So yeah, you continue. You were countering my point.
I was saying that exactly.
That is the thing, na. Exactly, this is the reason why they want to die early.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, if they know that the universe is gonna end and their life is gonna end, then
so why
am I suffering right now? Why can't I just make it quick?
What I want to tell them, what I want to tell them is, if you know that everything is gonna end one day, keep it for your problems also, na. Believe me, time is a great healer. The thing is human memory. It gets used to everything we just discussed. Human brain gets used to everything.
Yeah.
So the thing is, instead of panicking, I know it is very difficult to explain to them, but still, the problems in their lives are not permanent, first of all, and secondly, they are going to get used to the people. I think this is a point which I think you can counter again. But still, I wanted to make this one point. I can be wrong, but I think if there is someone not that sad or not that depressed, maybe it's difficult to explain to people who are very deep into this pothole, whatever.
Yeah.
But those who are just on the brim right now, I think they will connect a little. But otherwise,
yeah, I agree with you. I agree with you. If someone is feeling acutely sad, let's say, if someone is feeling temporarily
he's not
lost,
that depressed, or he has had a very good life, he has had a very good past with him, but somehow he's now fallen into a trap.
Yeah.
For them, I want to say
those
that
people, yes,
you should not spiral down.
I agree. You can tell them that it gets better. But what about those people who have been living with chronic depression for 10, 20 years?
That is very tough to explain, I think. But you had a good point.
The first thing would be to give a universal mathematical solution, right? That would be the best answer.
The video game answer was a good answer.
I think the second best answer is, you just don't know how to play the game yet. And I'm not saying that it is their fault.
Yeah, it's no one's fault.
It's not like, it's not like it's their fault that they are chronically depressed for 7 years.
It's no one's fault.
It just means that, like, there has to be some way of playing this game that makes it better. You just haven't figured it out yet.
Yeah. So why not figure it out?
Yeah, exactly. So why not
move a muscle and move around and figure it out?
Yeah. And so the thing is, I would say that
I wish these people first of all get active a little. They should move, like locomotive.
It's difficult,
motion.
Right?
It's very difficult, but I want to tell them through this podcast.
Yeah.
I want them to stand up, walk, run, whatever they want, but they have to move. That
it's very easy to say, but people who are in the
I'm just playing my part.
I am just playing. I understand. But people don't even feel like getting out of bed.
But I think
every morning they just wake up and
I think they should. Come on, my friends, you should. मैं तो इतना ही बोलना चाहता हूँ यार. बाकी तेरा एग्जाम्पल बहुत अच्छा लगा मेरे को, वीडियो गेम वाला. That's a very good example.
Yeah. My suggestion is to learn,
objectify,
and figure out a way to make yourself happy. मतलब see, of course you know that.
मैं तो ऐसा बोलूँगा कि if you are feeling कि तुम्हारी लाइफ में बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स है और तुमको अगर suffering, life is all about suffering, then first of all you think that you are more intelligent or more wise than others who are fucking living their lives. Are they stupid? नहीं, this is a question. This is a question. तू समझ रहा है? मतलब मैं चूतिया हूँ क्या जो मैं जी रहा हूँ?
नहीं, हाँ
मतलब
एग्जैक्टली
तुम
एंड
सुपीरियर हो क्या? मतलब मैं आई एम काउंटरिंग
या
सुसाइडल पीपल। मतलब
आई
तुमको
आई
लगता
आई
है
एग्री
कि
विद
तू
यू, आई
तू
एग्री विद यू।
मतलब ये थोड़ा थोड़ा पंजाबी स्टाइल हो रहा है, मगर आई थिंक इट मेक्स
नहीं नहीं, आई
सेंस।
टोटली एग्री विद यू।
मतलब तू
नहीं
तू
इट इज
तू
लाइक,
हमको चूतिया समझता है कि हम हमको मतलब तू समझता हमको कुछ समझ नहीं आया, और तेरे
या
को सब
या
समझ आ गया भाई। तू कमाल है, हम चूती हैं। मतलब हम जो अपनी जिंदगी जी रहे हैं, हम चूती हैं क्योंकि हमको कुछ समझ नहीं आया और तेरे को सब समझ आ गया। समझ रहा तू?
yeah, it is like they are
दे आर
not
सुपीरियर।
acknowledging the fact
इट
that
इज लाइक दे आर
other
सुपीरियर।
people are happy and other people are
हाँ,
actually enjoying their lives.
it is like
When
they don't
someone
want
says,
to acknowledge that other people also have problems and other people are still living, fighting through it.
"No, no, 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 not just that. No,
नहीं नहीं
I
नहीं
don't think.
नहीं, टिल अ सुसाइडल टेंडेंसी आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट। मतलब हमारी
No,
प्रॉब्लम्स
no, no.
उनसे
See,
कम है बेसिकली।
I am talking about a person who knows that other people also suffer, and they think that other people should also kill themselves because life is pointless at the end. It's just pointless suffering one after the other, like
ओके।
suffering after suffering after suffering. It's not like they are saying ki
देख
you guys don't have problems, only I have problems.
मैं
I am
ऐसा
saying that those people
मैं
know that everyone.
हाँ हाँ हाँ,
Yeah.
आई एम गेटिंग योर पॉइंट।
No, so I was saying that, but they also fail to understand that everyone is not suffering and everyone doesn't want to die. There are people who are living their lives very happily.
आई नो।
It is like a person who has gone through a
नहीं
bad breakup or a divorce
बट
says
उसको
that there
कैसे
is no
मतलब,
such
मगर
thing as true love.
तुमको कैसे पता कि जो बंदा खुश है उसकी लाइफ में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है?
It is not about problems, na. It doesn't matter किसी के लाइफ में problems है कि नहीं is a smaller question. The bigger question is,
हाँ हाँ।
can someone live a happy life? Basically, that is the bigger question, right? Can someone be happy throughout their lives?
ऑब्वियसली नॉट। यू कैन
नहीं
नॉट
बट
लिव
आई
अ
नहीं बट मैं तो
परमानेंटली
बोल रहा हूँ
हैप्पी
कि
लाइफ।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, पर मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ कि वो भी पॉसिबल है. You just need to learn how to play the game well enough, and even that is possible.
हाँ ऑब्वियसली यार, वो तो मतलब दैट इज लाइक अ चीट कोड। वो मतलब एकदम मस्त है वो। मतलब जिसको वो आ गया वो तो फिर बाप है, वो तो सबका, वो गांड ले लेगा दुनिया की।
Yeah, it is like
ही
a
विल
person
रूल,
who
ही विल रूल,
it is.
ही और शी विल
Sorry.
रूल, दे विल रूल द वर्ल्ड, आई एम सेइंग।
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I agree.
इट्स अ हैक।
Yeah, matlab, I don't think that it is hack is a bad word. I
ओके।
think it is something. It is a skill. I think a skill is a
नहीं,
better word.
इट्स अ हैक इन द वीडियो गेम सेंस आई एम सेइंग, और यू आर सेइंग स्किल इन द
नहीं,
वीडियो गेम सेंस। ओके ओके ओके
but हाँ. So it is
ओके।
like you can learn to play the video game better and you can master the game.
हाँ,
And
आई
similarly,
एग्री,
you can learn
आई
to,
एग्री, अग्री अग्री।
yeah, you can learn to live life in a more in the best way possible, so that
यस
you increase your own happiness and everyone else's happiness around you.
यस। वो जो
Yeah.
वो जो लोग फंसते हैं ना यार अभिजीत, दे आर क्लाउडेड
Hmm.
बाय दीज इमोशंस, यू नो, दीज थॉट्स। इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू पेनिट्रेट लाइट थ्रू द क्लाउड्स, the light of wisdom, or not wisdom in per se, but the light of these thoughts, different thoughts
Hmm.
different from their own thoughts.
Yeah, I agree. Should we take a 1 minute break and then continue?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah. So, what were we talking about?
हम थे suicidal tendencies के contradictory points.
Yeah, yeah. So, हमने curiosity वाला point discuss किया.
हाँ
हमने hedonism वाला point discuss किया. और
हाँ।
hedonism से ही connected था video game वाला point, which means that you just need to learn how to play this game in the best way possible to derive the most amount of happiness from it.
Yeah.
Okay. Now tell me about you. What do you think?
देख, ये लाइफ के बारे में ना, why do we live?
Why are you alive? Why should you live?
देख, मैं ये सोचता हूँ कि जो जो पॉइंट अपने दिमाग में आता है ना कि द यूनिवर्स एंड द ऑब्जर्वर वाला, अगर वो पॉइंट मेरे हार्ट के बहुत ही क्लोज है, समझ रहे तू, बहुत पास है मेरे दिल के, तो मैं उसको ऑलमोस्ट एक्सेप्ट करता हूँ।
ओके।
तो अगर देख, अगर मैं नहीं हूँ तो कुछ नहीं है यार, तू समझ रहा ना?
आई अंडरस्टैंड।
तो अगर मैं नहीं
So that
हूँ
is the reason.
तो कुछ नहीं है, तो
Hmm.
अगर मैं हूँ तो कुछ कर लेते हैं ना यार। मतलब मैं समझाना मुश्किल हो रहा है अभी मेरे को, मगर
It's okay.
मैं ऐसा बोल रहा हूँ कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देख, अगर सिंपल से स्टार्ट करें ना, तो सिंपल से अगर मैं बोलूँ तो लाइफ जीने का बेसिक एसेंस जो मेरे लिए है ना, वो ये है कि यू हैव टू सर्व अदर्स यार, मेक पीपल
Why?
हैप्पी।
Why?
वाई का ये मतलब है कि देख यार, तू खुद की खुशी के लिए तो ऑब्वियसली करेगा ही काम, मतलब वो बहुत ही इंस्टिंक्टिव और नेचुरल है, वो तो तू करने ही वाला है। मगर एट द एंड ऑफ द डे मटेरियल चीजें इतना अल्योर नहीं करती है मेरे को, ऑब्वियसली वो हमको चाहिए टू लिव अ गुड लाइफ, मतलब गुड लाइफ इन द सेंस कि अगर दूसरों की हेल्प भी कर रही है तो तेरे पास कुछ तो होना चाहिए ना, रिसोर्सेज एंड ऑल। उस सेंस में मैं बोल रहा हूँ।
I understand.
तो मेरा पॉइंट ये है कि एक एग्जिस्टेंशियल क्वेश्चन जो है ना तेरा, कि वाई शुड वी लिव, और वाई, बिल्कुल बेसिक, ये तो मैंने ऊपर से सरफेस से बोला है कि मतलब मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि सर्विंग अदर्स एंड मेकिंग अदर्स हैप्पी, वो बहुत ही मेरे लिए फंडामेंटल रीजन है, मेरे लिए पर्सनली स्पीकिंग,
Okay.
टू बी अलाइव। ओके,
Okay.
उसके अलावा यार,
But why? नहीं. I want to explore this topic.
हाँ हाँ हाँ,
Why should we serve others? Why should we try to make others happy?
यार देख उसका,
Because to be honest, when I ask myself, when I look into myself deep enough, I feel that I don't have this impulse of serving others or making others happy
यार देख मेरे को क्या
as
लगता है,
much.
मेरे को
मतलब
क्या
I know
लगता है,
I know
मेरे
on
को
a
क्या
logical level that it is good.
मेरे को क्या लगता है, मेरे को क्या लगता है कि देख यार, जो ह्यूमन लाइफ है ना यार, वो बहुत ही सोशल है यार, हम बहुत सोशल हैं, तू समझ है ना? वी आर सोशल एनिमल्स ओनली, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कैन नॉट लिव
Yes.
अलोन। पागल हो जाएगा तू।
Yes.
वो भी एक टॉपिक है, मतलब मैं बचपन में सोचता होता था उस बारे में भी, कि मैं को अकेला रह सकता हूँ क्या? मैं बिल्कुल अकेला, कोई भी नहीं है।
Yeah.
उसके ऊपर ना मैंने एक चीज लिखी थी, देखो पढ़ के सुनो।
चलेगा।
मैंने एक चीज लिखी थी, द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ स्टोरीज in one's life.
Yeah.
Can a human exist in this world without letting anyone know what he has been through? Can you do that? मतलब मैं तेरे को ये बोल रहा हूँ कि तू, मैं ये भी नहीं बोलता कि stay alone. I want you to live in this world, but not tell anyone what you have done or what you have been through. Don't share your story. Is it possible?
It's not possible for me, but I can imagine that
देख मैं वो
there are
बहुत ही
people who
नहीं, वो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि वो कोई भी नहीं कर सकता यार।
I agree.
और
Sharing stories is a very
sharing
fundamental part
stories
of.
is a very fundamental part of being human.
Yeah, I agree. मैंने ये anthropology में पढ़ा था
Okay.
कि just like there is genetic evolution, right? And genes that are better get naturally selected
Okay.
through like combination, mutation.
हम्म
These genes
हाँ
get
हाँ
mixed.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
human culture
हाँ
evolves through like these ideas or stories that we share with ourselves, and the ideas that are better, they get naturally selected, or the ideas that ensure our existence the most, or the ideas that secure our existence the most,
हाँ
get more importance, and they become more important through cultural selection. Just like natural selection, there is this concept of cultural selection.
ओके
So the
ओके ओके
most important ideas in our culture or in our
दे
society,
लिव लॉन्गर
they and it's not a coincidence that they are that important.
हाँ
They are important because they secure our well-being the most.
हम्म
So in that sense, yes, sharing your story or sharing your experience is one of the most fundamental parts of human evolution, I would say, because this is how human beings learn
मतलब
and this is how
मैं
human beings
मैं
evolve.
मैं बोलता हूँ कि पूरा एक्सट्रीम पे चला जा तू फुल एक्सट्रीम
Hmm. Hmm.
think about not sharing your story with anyone at all.
Hmm.
Is it possible?
I think that is possible, theoretically speaking. I mean, there are monks who take vows of silence and who just stop
I
speaking.
think
They
I
just do.
think
They
that
all they
I
do is
think
just
that
meditate.
I think that monk will talk to a tree.
No, they are not allowed to talk to anyone.
But I think, personally speaking,
I think the whole purpose of their practice is to
not
achieve a state of thoughtlessness.
okay.
In order to talk to
Okay.
someone, you need to have thoughts. Now, again, I think you will find this idea interesting, and I want you to explore more about this. This is one more
This is
thing that I
something, yeah,
learned.
this is something I really want to know that can a person live without sharing his or her story with anyone?
Hmm. I learned this again during meditation, that there is a type of meditation, or that people meditate with this goal of reaching a stage of thoughtlessness.
Okay.
So the people who practice this type of meditation,
Hmm.
their idea is to have a blank mind, blank.
Okay. Okay.
So
I don't
when they are
know
alive, it
the
is just
intricacies
like
about,
they are. Hmm.
but I would explore
नहीं, हाँ,
definitely.
so I'm telling you
हाँ
because
अच्छा
this is
टॉपिक
somewhat
है
relevant
अच्छा लग रहा है टॉपिक
to your point.
हाँ क्योंकि मैं ये
Those
सोचता हूँ
people, they want to just be in the present moment
हाँ ट्रांजैक्शनल
and just have a no. They want to just have a blank mind and just exist in the present moment. They don't want to think about what is happening around.
हाँ हाँ
They just want to, मतलब उनको इनपुट चाहिए सब कुछ, राइट?
हाँ
बट जो प्रोसेसिंग वाला पार्ट होता है,
हाँ
विच इज आवर थिंकिंग,
हाँ
और आउटपुट वाला पार्ट होता है, विच इज अस टॉकिंग टू अदर्स और अस एक्टिंग ऑन दोज
या
थॉट्स. They don't want that in their lives, and that is their way of reaching nirvana or
मोक्षा
eternal happiness,
ठीक है
because
मस्त है
their idea is.
दैट इज समथिंग आई
हाँ,
विल
so
एक्सप्लोर
मतलब theoretically speaking, there are people whose life's goal it is to reach a state of thoughtlessness, and then those people don't probably don't talk to anyone because that is not their goal.
देख
They don't
देख
share their story with
कई
anyone.
कई कई लोग होते हैं कमिंग बैक टू द टॉपिक कि व्हाई शुड वी बी अलाइव उसमें
Hmm.
कई लोग होते हैं जैसे अपने कॉलेज में याद है इस्कॉन के बहुत लोग थे सो दे सिंपली से टू सर्व द लॉर्ड
Yeah.
टू सर्व द
Yeah.
ऑलमाइटी
Yeah. And
और वो बहुत बिलीव
don't
करते हैं
you think
उसमें
that? Yeah. And I think that this is the reason why religion or the concept of God is so universal, because
बिकॉज ऑफ
it
दिस
is the
क्वेश्चन ओनली
easiest. Because it is the easiest answer to this question. The easiest answer to the question of why should you live
देख मेरे
is
को ये इजीएस्ट नहीं लगता पता है क्यों क्योंकि मेरे को लगता है
क्यों?
कि बहुत थॉट प्रोसेस इन्वॉल्व हुआ रहेगा इसके अंदर भी
I'm not denying that at all.
they and
I'm sure there
the
were.
end conclusion they reach is God. ठीक है, बट आई एग्री।
नहीं, आई
हाँ
एम नॉट एट ऑल डिनाइंग
हाँ,
दैट.
आई एग्री
नहीं,
कि
I am not
ये
talking in the
बहुत ही
superficial sense
यूनिवर्सल है,
that.
नॉट इजी, बट आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी यूनिवर्सल थिंग. The universal
हाँ
answer to this,
नहीं,
the most common
the
answer to this
I
question
am
is.
saying, हाँ, and I am saying that the reason why this answer is most common
Hmm.
or universal
Hmm.
is not because it is easy to come to this conclusion,
Okay.
but I think it is easy to believe
Easy to accept it
and हाँ, easy to accept
because
it.
it is universal,
See,
because it is
because मैंने
common, because everyone is following.
now that becomes
That is another concept.
a
Yeah.
positive feedback
Yeah,
loop.
positive feedback basically.
Yeah, but नहीं, the reason why I think it is more believable to us is because I had again heard about this in a podcast which was talking about these concepts, okay?
Okay.
And the idea was that human beings, when we are born, our parents play a very important part in our life. So human beings are not like other animals or birds or insects. So we were discussing why the concept of God is so universal and so easy to accept.
Because it is
So in my
universal.
opinion, but why? I think, in my
So
opinion,
why is it universal in the first place?
exactly.
अच्छा,
Matlab, there is a reason.
why
I
does
think
a
there is a reason why
majority
people find it easier to
of
accept.
people, yeah, got your point. So why?
So I think the reason is because human beings, while growing up, our parents play a very, very important role in the first few years of our life.
100%, 100%
So,
agreed.
unlike any other animal who is born and just
Everything,
left to live
everything is
by
programmed.
itself, so unlike any other animal who is just born and free to live its life, human beings cannot. And I think human beings are biologically incapable of surviving without a parent for the first few years of life.
A human,
Matlab,
a human baby is the most dependable, not dependable,
hmm,
most dependent newborn of
yeah,
any species.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So, since the idea of a creator and a nurturer is
Inherent.
so deeply engraved in our DNA,
Okay.
matlab, just like human beings, as they come into this universe, they realize that they have a creator, which is their parents, and that same creator nurtures them, takes care of them, teaches them everything. I think that because the idea of a creator who also takes care of you, teaches you things, and nurtures you, because this idea is so inherent in our
अच्छा
brains,
concept है.
even in our adult life,
So
we
basically,
cannot
so
accept that.
basically, basically मान लो एक ह्यूमन ऐसा पैदा होता है who is born with no parents, let's assume,
हाँ,
or maybe a person who has no memory of being born through a vagina or through a person.
yeah, yeah.
So and he
That person
never
will
and
probably
he
find it
never
easier.
and he never comes across people who have parents.
Yeah,
That group of people will have a different ideology about creation and creator. That is
exactly.
what
I
you're
think those
saying.
people will probably find it easier to accept the idea that there is no God or there is no creator who
Okay,
also takes
हाँ.
care of you or who is looking after you.
You are
I think,
talking, you're having a point, very good point
yeah,
here, like with sociology in your mind, basically. The background of
yeah,
sociology, na?
yeah. So the reason why we cannot live, I mean, most of the people who cannot fathom the idea that there is no creator or there is
Yeah.
no one looking after them as an adult,
Hmm.
they cannot live with that idea and they need, if not real, at least a metaphorical parent
Hmm.
figure
Hmm.
that takes care of them even during their adult life, even during their toughest times. And that metaphorical parent figure or that idea of an invisible parent that is always there with you, always takes care of you, is
समझ
God.
गया. ठीक है, मतलब
So that's why,
वो एक
yeah, so that's why
सोसाइटी का
for many
इन्फ्लुएंस है.
people, yeah, that's why for many people it is easy to accept the idea of God, and that becomes the purpose of their life. Do what God tells you to do, or
एक एक
live
ह्यूमन
to serve God.
साइकोलॉजी एक्सपेरिमेंट है.
Hmm.
देखो, you know about Vsauce ना, the YouTube channel.
हाँ.
He experimented on humans in his series, or like there's a series called Mindfield.
I've heard
So
about it.
in that experiment, basically, when it is very easy for humans to comply if everyone is moving in a similar direction, it's very
Yeah,
difficult to stand out in a crowd. It's
I
general
agree.
human behavior.
I agree.
So that can also be the reason. Na? Your reason is very fine. But in the first place, let's say due to some very strong political movement in the Roman Empire or in the Middle East, in the area around Jerusalem, Israel,
Hmm.
the crescent it is called, I don't know exactly, but it's called the
Hmm.
Fertile Crescent or whatever.
Hmm.
The thing is, एक बार मान लो मेजोरिटी ने मान लिया, it could have been a movement only, na? Since then,
Yeah.
political movement only.
Yeah.
It's very
It was a
difficult to
political
stand out.
movement.
It's very difficult to stand out in a crowd.
Yeah. And let's extrapolate this idea, and let's take this idea to the concept of dying or suicide.
Yeah.
Imagine if in our society everyone just decided to commit suicide.
हाँ तो करेंगे लोग.
Yes, if everyone tomorrow just thought कि चलो अरे सब लोग सुसाइड कर रहे हैं, मतलब people are saying कि अरे सुसाइड कर लो, it's pointless, क्यों सफरिंग कर रहे हो,
सुसाइड कर लो, क्या बात है,
everyone
कोई
starts
टेंशन
killing
नहीं.
themselves. Dude, do you know about I think Jonestown massacre or something? I don't remember the name of that town, but US में एक town था. Southern states में कोई तो एक town था.
मैं सर्च करूं क्या?
और
while you are talking.
Sure.
What was the name?
I think it was Jonestown. But there was this phenomenon of mass suicide. I think an entire town.
Mass suicide. I'll search for mass suicide.
Yeah. So there was this cult
Jonestown,
leader.
you're right.
Yes. So there was this guy who was a cult leader, who was a religious figure, and he convinced his followers that after death you are gonna meet God anyway.
Just like jihad, na? Jannat milegi.
Exactly. Just like that. So an entire town committed suicide.
मतलब obviously political meaning jihad का और वो सब बहुत deep है. We are not going into that. But still, जो uneducated लोगों को समझ आता है वो उसकी बात कर रहा हूँ.
Yeah, I mean, just like if everyone starts killing themselves,
it's
other people will also comply.
It's in.
I think if you can apply the same logic to living also. I mean, a lot of people are alive just because everyone else around them is living. Yeah, everyone else is doing a job, so they also do a job. Everyone is going to school, so they also go to school.
So committing suicide is almost like a sense of superiority. Is that a point valid? Is that a valid point?
Matlab?
If someone's committing suicide, he thinks he's superior to others.
Or maybe he thinks that he knows something
better.
that the other people don't know.
Not superior, as per like.
And I mean, there is some validity to that. Like, imagine if one person starts realizing, like, one day a person starts thinking and comes to this conclusion कि oh shit, life is meaningless. अब तक हम लोग जो कुछ करते आ रहे हैं, it's pointless. And I had that day. I had that moment. I didn't feel like committing suicide because again, I'm too curious to do that. But I remember that, and this was during the time of our short filming. Okay. To our listeners, I would like to tell you guys that me
2014
and
or 15.
There's
a movie. There's a very nice movie, guys. Check
don't
it
know if it's
out.
nice or not, but
Yeah, that is why I'm
yeah.
laughing now.
So around the same time, I was
It's
going through this
called The Grace,
phase.
by the way, guys. It's called The
Yeah,
Grace.
short film is called Grace.
Don't start disliking it as soon as this podcast end. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so I remember talking to Arnav, your
Yeah,
batchmate,
Arnav, तुम
one of
गाओ.
our mutual friends, and he's a very religious person, very religious person.
I know, I know.
So I remember during that time, I used to meet him like semi regularly, and I knew that he is a very religious person. So one day I was sitting with him and I was asking him all of this. I was asking him about these things, that why are you alive? Why shouldn't I just,
Yeah.
you know, start doing heroin every day and
Huh.
then eventually kill myself?
Huh.
Because I'll die in peace and pleasure, because I know it's pointless anyway. And of course, his answer was God and everything. And he told
Yeah.
me to follow God, and he told me to read about his Bapu and all of that stuff,
Yeah. Yeah.
which I didn't, which was not at all a satisfactory answer for me. So I kept
Okay.
searching for answers and eventually learned a lot about existentialism and philosophy.
Okay.
So,
देख
yeah, so I am
मैं
saying that
मैं
when a
मैं
person
एक
realizes,
पॉइंट मैं एक पॉइंट ऐड करना चाहूंगा यहाँ पे कि
hmm,
देख अब ऐसा है कि यू आर आस्किंग दिस क्वेश्चन राइट
hmm,
कि व्हाई शुड आई बी अलाइव
hmm,
तो बेसिकली you remember the hierarchy of questions, like there's a hierarchy
right, I
in
agree. I
asking
agree.
questions.
Ha.
What
Yeah,
about
yeah,
what
yeah.
about those people who are not even thinking about this at all? They are thinking about
Yeah,
finding
yeah.
food, clothes, and
Exactly.
shelter. That's
I
their
would say
life,
that majority of the population is
at
in
least in
that
India.
category.
At least in India.
Yeah, I agree with you. I
तो
agree with you.
तो उनका क्या तू समझ रहा है?
And you know
मतलब
what? I think
तू
I
अगर
think
नहीं
that might be one of the reasons.
ये पॉइंट लिसनर्स
Hmm.
को समझ आए इसलिए थोड़ा थोड़ा कंप्लीट करते हैं ना इसको.
Okay.
मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि अगर तू और मैं ये बात सोच रहे हैं तो वी आर ऑब्वियसली इन द प्रिविलेज्ड क्लास, हैंड्स
Yeah.
डाउन.
Yeah.
Privileged class, like we are not well off to the level of Ambanis, of course.
We are privileged enough
We are
that all other
privileged in
basic
the
questions.
in a philosophical way. We
Yeah.
have reached this thing in our life that we can ask these questions.
Questions, right? And I think that
Okay.
might be one of the reasons
And that
why
is the
a
reason why should we
person.
be alive. Are you getting my point? To help others reach that level.
And then what?
And then nothing. You just there's you have to struggle. Life is a struggle, na? You have to live on.
No, but then let's say
अच्छा
everyone becomes prosperous enough.
यू आर सेइंग कि लेट्स अज्यूम कि एक ही रात में या मान लो 10 दिन में सबको समझ आ गया है और सब अमीर हो गए.
नहीं. हाँ, और फिर क्या? Then what's the point? फिर क्या करेंगे?
अच्छा, सबको समझ आ गया कि अब एक मिनट आई एम गेटिंग यू. हाँ मतलब अच्छा है, मतलब कि सबको समझ आ गया कि सबको मर जाना चाहिए, कि नहीं मर नहीं जाना
वैसा नहीं बोल
चाहिए.
रहा हूँ
हाँ
मैं.
मर नहीं जाना चाहिए.
I am
सबको ये
saying कि
समझ आ गया
everyone becomes prosperous
कि
enough
ये क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं सब
to ask this question.
कि हाँ हमें जिंदा रहना है कि हमारा क्या काम है, ऐसा पूछ रहा है ना तू.
हाँ, and you know what? If you look at the statistics of suicide, I think that is one of the reasons why more people commit suicide in developed countries, especially in the Scandinavian and European countries, than in developing countries. So हम लोग को कुछ जो लगता है कि जो लोग की लाइफ एकदम झंड है, जिन लोगों को मर जाना चाहिए, like there is no fucking hope, man. Dude, don't you ever feel this way? Like when you look at a homeless person, when you look at a person who is literally covered in shit, okay, they are wearing torn clothes, they are clearly mentally unstable, okay, matlab they are not even realizing how fucked up position they are in.
Not even sane enough.
हाँ, matlab if you look at some of the people on the side of the street who are living in absolutely horrible conditions, and there is, matlab it seems like there is no hope, like there is no hope for that person. and that person does not commit suicide. Matlab, why haven't all the beggars on the street committed suicide yet? Why haven't all the homeless people killed themselves yet?
क्योंकि वो उनके दिमाग
Don't
में
you ever
आया
think
नहीं
that?
ना कभी.
Exactly. Matlab, for a person who is in that
भाई भूख
phase of their
लगती है ना
life where
रात
they
को.
are just,
रात को भूख
they
लगती है
are
ना,
just,
तो खाना चाहिए.
नहीं, I
एनिमल
think their
एनिमल
brain, I
एनिमल
think
बाहर
their
आता है
brain,
ना.
हाँ,
The animal
exactly. I
comes
think their
out.
brain, I think their limbic system or
हाँ.
their primitive brain takes over. I think their
Yeah.
prefrontal cortex is not even functional at that point.
It is functional, but not at this level.
हाँ, वही मतलब the thinking part of their brain, the part of their brain that is supposed to ask these questions is probably turned off. Because their animal part of the brain is
बेसिकली
acting.
क्वेश्चन वही आता है, मतलब वो तेरा क्वेश्चन मेरे दिमाग से अभी निकला नहीं है कि सबको समझ आ जाएगी तो क्या होगा.
हाँ, मतलब at one point we have to, मतलब I think it's inevitable, right?
हाँ,
In the
inevitable.
last
What
50
is
years,
inevitable?
I am saying that in the last, let's say, 100 years, more people have been lifted out of poverty. More
Okay.
people have access to food, water,
Okay.
shelter, education than at any other time in the history. And eventually, let's say in 100 more years, everyone is going to have food, shelter, education.
Let's hope.
Everyone is going to reach a baseline level of prosperousness.
Okay.
And I think more and more people are going to start asking these questions. More and more people, after they have eaten a lot of food, they have achieved enough education, they are living in a comfortable house, more and more people are going to start asking this question.
तो फिर वही बात आती है ना, फिर तेरा क्वेश्चन फिर से आता है ना कि फिर क्या समझाएगा उनको.
Yeah, मतलब
मान लो सब पूछ रहे हैं.
I don't have a universal or mathematical answer the way we discussed earlier. But again, it comes back to one of these two options. Either you stay alive in order to remain happy and spread happiness to others, मतलब make yourself happy and make others happy while you are alive. मतलब you value how rare existence is. You value how rare it is the fact that you were born as a human. मतलब how rare it is that you were even born. And how rare it is that Earth even exists. मतलब in this infinite sea of just rocks and planets and non-living beings, there is life on Earth, which is a very, 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 very rare thing from what we know at least. So then, even if it is pointless, and this is now coming back to what we started at the beginning of this conversation, the philosophy of Albert Camus, which is given in the book The Myth of Sisyphus. This philosophy is called as absurdism. Okay. And the meaning of the word absurdism is that this exercise of trying to find meaning in a meaningless world is absurd.
It's absurd. Why?
Like, because the more you learn about things, the more you realize that there is no end point to that. There is no
point.
Goal. There is no point to that. Matlab, in the book he talks about this. In the book he says that we learned about matter and we learned about gravity and then we learned about atoms and then we learned about inside those atoms there are electrons. Like human beings in the around when he was writing that book, in the 1930s or something, or in the 1940s. That was the time when human beings really thought
plum pudding model.
Human beings thought that science can give us all the answers. Okay. And even at that time, this person used to think that the more you keep studying things, the more you realize that there is no answer, right?
इसको कुछ like बोलते हैं. The more you know, the more you have to know. The more there is to know.
Yeah.
This is called something. This thing.
I don't know. I know this concept, but I don't know what it is called. I don't know whether there is one word for it.
Yeah, there's one word. You
But
continue.
so Albert Camus in this book talks that the more you study about the universe and about human life and about psychology and about physics,
Yeah.
the more it fails to give you answers. So his conclusion is no matter how advanced we become as a civilization and no matter how advanced science becomes and technology becomes,
So basically, you're saying
I think
ignorance is
human
bliss.
beings are sorry, couldn't
Ignorance
hear
is
you.
bliss.
No, not at all.
Okay.
He's not saying that stop gaining knowledge about things. He's not saying
Stop
कि
asking
science करना ही
questions.
बंद कर दो.
He's not saying that.
What he's saying is you learn as much as you want to learn. You should learn as much as there is to learn. But stop expecting there to be any meaning in it. Stop expecting there to be any sense or any reason
you're
or any rhyme.
coming back to the philosophy of Buddha.
Yeah, maybe.
Stop expecting,
Yeah.
basically.
So what?
Expectation is what leads to desire. To what?
Suffering.
Suffering. Yes. Desire is the origin, or expectation is the origin of suffering.
दोनों भी reason है. Yeah, मतलब I had never connected these two thoughts.
Yeah, but
I had never connected
one of the principles
absurdism and Buddha's principles. But yeah, I agree with you. What Albert Camus says is you should just accept that life is and the universe is
there,
just a collection of random events, and chaos, and there is no bigger meaning to it. There is no ultimate greater meaning to it. There is no purpose to it.
It's a stage.
It just exists.
It's a stage.
Earth exists. Yeah, Earth exists because
Shakespeare.
A Big Bang happened a few billion years ago, and life exists because some chemicals on this Earth reacted with each other in specific environmental conditions. And you exist because your parents randomly found each other and procreated.
Yeah.
And that's okay. There is no reason to it. There is no bigger point. You should just accept the
First of all, there has to be a supernova also to have us here.
Yes,
heavy metals would never come, heavy elements.
हाँ वो
सब लगाओ फिर लगाओ बैठ के हिसाब
नहीं सब हिसाब लगा दिया and at the end of it there is no bigger picture, there is no meaning, there is no point to it. And Albert Camus says that.
So basically, you are saying. Okay, so basically, Abhijit, you are saying. I am getting your point. So basically, what you are saying is, if there's a person who is contemplating suicide, okay, you should ask him, how did you come here in the first place? First, ask that question. You want him to ask that question. Is it that way? Like, has he realized how insignificant he is in this universe? Or
no.
Or how he has gotten here? He's not worried about that. But he's
I am saying that person knows how insignificant he is. Okay. That might be one of the reasons why he is committing suicide, right?
Okay.
My point is, the reason why people cannot live with this feeling of being insignificant is because they are expecting that there is some point to this, that they are expecting that there should be some reason,
a universal
there should be some meaning. And Albert Camus says that stop trying to impart meaning or stop trying to force meaning on a meaningless universe. Just accept that whatever it is in the way it is, like just accept the things as they are in its most meaningless form. Stop trying to find a reason for it. Stop trying to find a meaning or a purpose. And just...
life itself is an illusion.
And he says that it is very liberating when you realize that none of this matters.
Life itself is an illusion, na? Like if
life is an illusion.
Like if you think about it, you are always... like we talked about the time continuum, the stream of time that we are flowing through.
Right.
We are always in the present. Like if you cut a transfer section that I talked about already, it's an illusion. Like your memory creates life.
Yeah.
You are never living through the whole thing. You're always in the moment. Like this is the moment where you're alive. And when I said this, that has gone. When I said the word this, that has gone now. It's in my past. The point when you started listening to this podcast is gone. So life is itself an illusion, na? Like we have been living through, like I was born in 1992, so I have been living through 1992 till now, and who knows till what time. But life is just the moment. I'm just talking about.
But how does that answer our
No,
question?
I'm not talking about the answer. I'm just making a point here.
I agree with you. I agree with you.
It's very transient, scary.
Yeah. So I think one of the answers, like at the beginning of this conversation, I proposed 3 answers, right? One was the curiosity that drives you.
Yeah. Well, second is happiness.
Want to live more. Second was happiness. The innermost drive in every human being that they should be happy.
Yeah.
And their loved ones should be happy, and ultimately everyone around them should be happy. And the third would be to realize that it is such a rare event that life exists, you exist, that it doesn't matter if it's meaningless.
Okay.
Like the fact that this thing is so rare,
you should appreciate it.
Should be enough. Should be enough for you to value it.
To value it, yes.
Like the more you zoom out, the more you look at the bigger picture, the more you realize how rare this thing is. Like, of course, you will realize how insignificant all of this is. But instead of depressing you, that insignificance should liberate you. If all of this doesn't mean anything, if none of this matters, then I shouldn't be worried about my exams or my divorce or my personal miseries.
Yeah.
I should be grateful that I even got this very rare chance to be alive.
Exactly.
That is one way of looking at this.
That's a very good point, actually.
Yeah. So we should stop trying to enforce meaning on a meaningless universe.
But यार
and
एक gut feeling ऐसे आती है मेरे को कि there has to be some meaning.
That's what I'm saying, na. And it is very natural to have that gut feeling, right? It is very natural to have that gut feeling, but the more you think about these things,
scientifically speaking,
the logical conclusion.
I love astronomy. I love physics. Scientifically speaking, there is no point as such. I don't know.
Yeah. And that should.
That is why I think ki what I was trying to say was that if there is no point in me living throughout, like it's no point to live as such. So why shouldn't I help others and make them happy? Not living for yourself, living for others.
Yeah, that can be one way of looking at it, and that is a philosophy that a lot of people follow.
And that is a philosophy I think there is in Gita also.
Yeah.
कर्म कर फल की इच्छा मत कर.
Yeah.
कुछ रिवॉर्ड ऐसा एज सच मिलने नहीं वाला हमको फाइनली कि जिसके बाद तू मतलब यू आर द विनर. देयर इज नो कंपटीशन एज सच.
Yeah, exactly.
So basically serving others, I think, helps me keep me alive.
Yeah, that is an answer for a lot of people.
If you think you're insignificant,
people who are in our medical profession, people who are in
any profession, like any profession, anyone. Anyone who thinks
Yeah.
everyone can serve others.
Yeah, matlab if you can't make yourself happy, make
Others
at least
happy.
others happy.
Yeah. Why not?
Yeah,
Why
I
not?
agree. Yeah.
Instead of
So I think so far we have found 4 possible answers.
4 possible answers. Yes. To be alive.
Yeah. Yeah. Our listeners are free to explore more, maybe
Yeah.
suggest more.
Yeah. Or maybe the contrary. Why they think they should end.
Yeah.
We are open to it also.
Yeah, man. I'm totally I am and I,
Till
as I said,
we are curious enough. Nothing is
yeah,
going
I
to
mean
stop
other than
us
curiosity,
from
like
contemplating
I think
things.
if yeah, I think if at one point in my life I stopped being curious, and a lot of old people reach that stage, you know. A lot of people when they are 70, 80 years old,
Yeah.
they think they reach this stage कि अरे अभी सब कुछ देख लिया, सब कुछ कर लिया, अभी हम लोग बस वेट कर रहे हैं भगवान के पास जाने का. And I totally understand that, man, because when this curiosity stops, then it all becomes truly pointless. Then there is no reason to continue.
Curiosity drives life.
Yeah, at least our life, human life.
बिल्कुल. So I think we have made our points today.
I think this is a nice point to end this conversation.
Yeah.
I enjoyed talking with you a lot.
Yeah, me too.
And I hope other people enjoyed listening to this.
Me too,
if
without
anyone
the
is listening.
hashtag.
Yes.
Basically, I want people to let us know if they agree or disagree in whatever.
Yeah, and if
they
have some topics to suggest on which we can talk about, topics that we can explore.
Yes.
And the good thing about these conversations is when we talk about these things, we also learn, right?
Yeah.
While we are talking
not
to each other, we are
experts
learning.
in any possible way. We are just thinking.
And a lot of the times we have a lot of
reaching
raw
the action
data.
potential.
Yeah. Matlab, I think our purpose of this podcast
is to think and make people
just
think.
to stimulate to stimulate the nerves enough to reach their action potential so that afterwards they can start thinking on themselves and start firing themselves.
Exactly. ताकि रात को नींद अच्छी आए, सीधी सी बात. थोड़ा दिमाग थक जाए.
और मे बी अच्छी नींद नहीं आएगी.
थोड़ा दिमाग थक जाए.
Or maybe this will keep them awake.
Yeah, maybe. Depends upon the person.
Yeah.
Okay then.
Okay. It was really interesting having this conversation with you, Dr. Saransh Gupta.
Yes, Dr. Abhijit. It was fun.
Yes. Okay. Let's end this conversation now. And we'll see you guys in the next episode of the Action Potential podcast.
Okay, bye-bye guys. Take care.
Bye-bye.